Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, the Windows installer service could not be accessed in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. So first of all, you will have to unregister and register a certain file. I have a command for this. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is to restart the Windows installer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services menu. Okay, now scroll down to the Windows installer service. Right click on it and then select start here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.